Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sully, and it is time for another update on the Back Cove 390. As you can see behind me here, we've got the Triple Verano 400 outboards, and we are actually down here with Stu as he is getting ready to do a Siren Marine install. So we're going to go ahead. We're monitoring the house bank there, the engine bank. We've got shore power being monitored, the batteries, and we've also got a trio of wireless sensors there. So we're going to do bilge pump, high water. So we're going to get full monitoring with this through the Siren Marine app. You can kind of see the siren right there tucked up in there. So we're going to let Stu get back to work on this and hop inside here and see what TJ is up to inside the boat. Let's go check it out. All right, so as you can see, TJ's going to town over here. We're getting the holes cut in the dash. We showed you the layout of everything yesterday. So we've got all that approved. We're doing the cutout. We got the remote going in, the card reader, switches, all the wires pulled behind us. Our next one we're going to have to figure out is right here. Speakers. Like I said, we're doing the Fusion Signature speakers. We know we're going to have to do some kind of a trim ring, bezel, or something there, just because it's a depth issue from the factory normal speakers they would put in there versus the signature speakers, a little extra depth. So we're going to do some cutouts in there, figure out what's going on, and come up with a solution for that, and keep plugging along. So that's it. That is the update for now on this Back Cove 390. Stay tuned. Give us a follow if you want to see more. And if you got any questions about the build or anything, leave it down below in the comments. You know the deal. All that good fun stuff. Till next time, guys. Peace.